Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix the missing chat button in Roblox. So let's get started. If you're in a game and can't find the chat button, don't worry. It's a simple fix. First, exit the game and click on More. From there, go to Settings, then select Privacy. Next, click on Privacy and Content Maturity and choose Communication under the Experience Chat section. Toggle the setting to Everyone. And that's it. The chat button should now be enabled in your game. Let's open a game to test it out. As you can see, the chat button now appears at the top left of the screen. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.